Hi everyone, I'm Henry, and today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Windows 11. Let's get started. Alright, to do it, we're going to use an application called the Snipping tool. It's a great application, should already be preloaded on your computer if you're running Windows 11. To open it up, you're going to click on your Start menu, and then in the search bar, you can just type in Snipping tool, and then click on it once it shows. And then this is the application, the Snipping tool. So to take a quick screenshot, you click on New. When you do that, it's going to dim your screen and it's going to change your cursor. So what you can do from here is you get to highlight what area of your screen you want to take a screenshot of. So for example, here's my background. Let's just say I want to take a screenshot of just half my background with my icons and my taskbar. So I'm going to highlight half of it and then I'm going to let go. When you do that, it's going to put the screenshot of what you highlighted in the Snipping tool. So that's how you take a screenshot. So from here, you can go ahead and save your screenshot in your pictures or in your downloads folder, wherever you want. You can also copy it on your taskbar here, and then here's the save button. So it's a great tool. So for example, like if you want to take a screenshot of a web page here, just a web page and not your entire screen, it's the same principle. You're going to click on your Snipping tool application. You're going to click on the new button, and then you're going to highlight of whatever you want to take a screenshot of. So this is my website, so I just want to take a screenshot of the top half. I'm going to highlight the top half, let go, and voila, that's what it looks like. And I can save it to my pictures folder and then post it on Facebook or whatever. The Snipping tool also has a time feature, so a delay feature. So if you select the little clock button, you can do a snip in 3 seconds. So what that does is you can click on new and then it won't take a snip until 3 seconds. So for example, if I want to take a screenshot of my start menu, I can't click on the start menu and then do Snipping tool. I have to use a delay. So we're going to click on new, because when you click on new, my start menu went away. So I clicked on it right here and then it takes me into the snipping mode, and then I click and drag of what I want a screenshot of. So for this start menu, I let go, and then it should put it in the Snipping tool, and then here it is. And then from here I can save this screenshot to my website if I'm writing an article about it or wherever. So your case is going to vary. So that's it. If this video helped you out, consider liking and subscribing. It'll mean a lot and it'll help out my YouTube channel. Thank you.